Alright, in continuation to where we stopped, remember this was where we were in our last video tutorial. So what we'll be learning here is how to design our ebook cover. And now let's minimize and go to our file gallery or file manager. Let's see what we'll be designing. Let's check what we will be designing. Alright, this is what we will be designing here now. This is what we will be designing. This is what we will be designing. Right, something like this. I believe you can see it. Alright, now let's go back to our pixel lab. Now let's delete this. First of all, let's import the image we will be designing. Let's import the image we will be designing. Alright, look for it to get it. So this is it. This is it here. This is it. Right. Click on it. This is the image we'll be designing. I designed this myself, so we'll be designing it. Just make it a little bit smaller. Alright. Alright. So remember I told you initially that this is where you will click to resize your paper. You click at image size, click there, you set this to 908 and this one 1280. Understand? But for Canva, this paper size now is to be 2560 times 1600. So that's for ebook design. Alright, now this is what we'll be designing. We'll be following it step by step. But before we dive into designing, let's first of all import all the materials we'll be making use of, or the materials we'll be picking color from. Now let's import. Click at this import here. This is the icon for selecting your material, either shapes or whatever. Understand? If you click at this neutral ground here now, it will show you what I'm talking about. Now it will unhighlight this. If you click at the neutral ground, now showing you the normal things you need to see here. You understand? Now if I click on what I imported, it will show me every tools that I will make use of to edit this. You understand? But let's click here. Now you will see if you click there, remember this is where I clicked first, then it will pop out all these things at the middle here. Now all we have to do is to click at this import here. Click at import. Let's import. I will import this because maybe I'll make use of it. Right now let's resize it. I'll make use of the color. Let's just make it tiny. Now let's import another one. Click here, click at import. Let's import other ones. Alright, remember I told you how to get your materials ready. Now I'll be picking color from some of these here now. Some of these I'll be picking color from them. Understand? Now let's select this first. Now let's go. Make it tiny a bit. Let's go. Now let's click here. Then let's pick colors again. Let's pick some other things so we can move ahead with designing. Now I downloaded all these things from Pinterest. These things you're seeing here now. You can get these materials from Pinterest. Now let's click here. Let's add this as well because I'll be making use of the color. Remember what I'll be making use of is the color. Now let's get other ones. Click here. Let's import other ones. Let me check the ones I have to import again. Now I might make use of this. Remember I downloaded this just recently in my previous video. Now click here. Because I'll be picking color. I might be picking color from any of these. Now let's also import other ones. It's not a must that you must import all these things before you start your design. If you have your designing, if you have every material on ground, you can start designing immediately. Understand? Now let's go. All right, let's pick this. Now these are the materials I'll be picking color from. All right, remember this is the main design that we are about to design here now. Let's keep it at the corner. Now firstly, what we will be doing here now is to click here, click here, click here. Let's select the background color. Let's select the background color. Now if you click there, you click here, click here, we'll be choosing color. You can as well choose color from your image, you can choose color from your image. You can make the background color to be transparent, anything that you want. You can choose color from, you can choose background from your phone gallery, something like that. Now let's click at this color, click at color. Let's go, click at color. Remember, these are all the color I have selected before, so it appeared on my color board. You understand? But for you to understand what I did here, all we have to do is to reselect color. Reselect what? Color. Now the background color, you click at this color firstly, click at this color. Now if you want it to be a double color, gradient color, you can click here like this. Now as you can see here, now it's showing light yellow, something like that, and here showing another color, something like that. You can click this gradient to set it. But if you want a plain background, you can click on color. I don't know whether you're getting me. You want a plain background, you can click on this color. Now let's click on this gradient, click at this plus icon, click at this plus icon. Let's go. Now this is it. Now what we'll be doing here now is we will be picking from here. We'll be picking color from here. But before you pick color from there, make sure you have highlighted this or this. Select anyone you want. Remember, this color signifies this yellow at the center here. Why this here now signify this dark color here. Understand? Now we'll be making use of our black color and the light black color, something like that. Now we'll be picking the color. Remember, this color here now, this color here now is this. Understand? You can click here, you can click here, you can click here, you can click here. Now let's click here. Now select the color, click at this color here, click at this color, click there. Now this is the color here, this is the color, this is the color, this is how it was set already. It's just like a default color. Now we are not going to make use of that. All we'll be doing is to click at this top here to pick color from the things I have imported. Remember what I meant? You click at this pencil icon, this pen icon, not pencil. This one is pencil, but this is where we'll be clicking. Click there. All right, let's click there. Now select. I'll be selecting this, I'll be selecting this. Now let's click there, click there. Now I want that place to be something like this. All right, remember we are designing afresh. We are designing afresh. Alright, let's go. Now this middle now will be light black or white. Now still click here, click here, click here. Let's go. Click there. Now click at this color. Alright, click at the color, then click at this pen icon. Let's go there. Now let's select. Alright, something like this. Alright, but we'll be changing the color a bit. Let's move over to this place. Let's click here. Let's pick. Alright, now let's keep it. Now remember, what we are designing is this. But what we are designing is this. Now let's move over to selecting. Now click here, at this import. Let's select our shape. Click at this shape here now. Let's go there. Click at shape. If you click at shape, you will see all this. Let's go back. Now, remember where I clicked. Alright. Remember where I clicked. This was where I clicked. First of all, let's go back first. Let's go back. Let's go back. Remember, I clicked at this icon here, then clicked at shapes. Alright. Click at shapes, then I clicked here. Clicked at this drop down arrow here. This drop down arrow. Alright. Let's click there. Then you can select any shape that you want from here. But me, I'll be selecting this. Understand? The square shape. Now all we'll be doing here is to drag. Remember, we are designing afresh, right? Okay. So this is it. After that, you click you mark good. You click at good. Now let's center align it. Click here. No, click here. Right. Click here. Now you can click here to center align it. Something like this. This one you click here to keep it at the right center, at the main center. But here now you click here to keep it at the middle of where it is. At the middle of where it is. Or here you click at it for it to appear at the center of the image. At the center of the image, the right and main center. But here is for it to be kept at the center of where it is positioned at that particular time. Now let me show you what I meant. Now, if I click here, you see what it will do. Are you seeing? It's moved it a bit to that particular place it is. But if I click here now, it will keep it at the center. Now, we click here. Are you seeing it? It's kept it at the center. But according to our design here now, you can see that it's not really at the center. All you have to do is to drag and position to the top here. Then click here to keep it at the center of where it is. Alright. So that is it. Alright. So according to this, what I made use of for this, let's bring it to the front. Click here to bring it to the front. First of all, you highlight this. Then click here. Then click to front. So let's click to front. Alright. Now let's bring it to the front. What I make use of, the size of this shape here now. The size of this shape at the middle is 114.27, if I'm not mistaken. Alright. Now all we have to do here is to resize this shape to 114.27. Here now should be 114, while here should be 27. Alright. Now remember where I clicked. I clicked at this. First of all, clicked here, highlighted it, then click here, clicked here, then click at this relative size. Let's go back. Then I clicked at this relative size. Now click here. Now all you have to do is to select this minus this. But if I click at this minus, both this and this will move at the same time. But if I don't want them to move at the same time, I will make sure I disable this, I off this, so that both of them will not move at the same time. Alright. Now let's go. Are you seeing that they moved at the same time? Now let's go back. 27. Now this is 27. I will know what to do. Click at the plus sign. You can drag it with your hand. You can drag this with your hand. You can drag it with your hand. Now let's check the size. 111. Yeah, almost here. 111. It doesn't matter, since the thing has occupied the space we want it to ascertain or occupy. There's nothing much there. You understand? So far the width is good. The width is the same thing with this. Understand? There's nothing much. So now let's center align it. Click here, then click here to center it. The next thing we are going to be doing here is to keep it at the normal size, at the normal place area that it should be. According to what I made use of, at this down side, this space here from this up here to down here now should be 56, while here to here should be 29. Now what do I mean? We will click at this sign here, this icon here, click there. Now let's keep this. All you have to do is to click here, click there, click there. Now click on the line, click on any line to check where it is located, whether it's at the right place. Now this line that I clicked here, now all you have to do is to click here to check the number, the size. See, that place is 27, of which it should be 29. Now click at this plus sign to drag it, to the position you want, or this minus sign at the end side to drag it to the position you want. After it, you click OK. All right, 27. Then here now I highlight this one again. There should be 56 or 57 thereabouts. Now click there again. Now keep it the place it should be, 56. Are you seeing it? Now after, you must have drag the lines to where you want it to be. You can see that this line changed because I changed the number. You can see it. Now that is it. Now all you have to do is to click here to stop highlighting. Then drag this to the position where it is. Are you seeing it? Very accurate and neat. Now this is where it should be. I have kept it to the position where it is supposed to be. Now let's continue designing. Now all we have to do here now is to click here to lock the shape. Let's lock the shape. Click there. This is the shape. Remember, this is the shape here. Now click at this lock sign to lock it. Click there so that it will not move. You can see that it's not moving again. Where I clicked was here to lock this. Click there. You can see that I locked it. This red color here now, red padlock. I've locked this shape. So that is it. Now let's continue our design. Click back here to go back. Right. So what we'll be doing here now is to change the color of this to gold color, but should be a gradient gold color. Understand? Now we'll be picking color from the images we have here. Right. Remember, I locked this. All you have to do is to click here. Click here to unlock it. Right. You can click there to highlight it or to unlock it. Right. Now let's go over to color. This is color. After, you must have highlighted this, click at color. Now let's go over to color. Enable color. We are not making use of this red. This is just like a default. This red here now is just like a default color. Now all we have to do is to click at color, then click at these gradients. Click at these gradients here. Alright. Click there. Now I made use of something like this. These are the colors I've set already. Made use of something like this, so I'll be reselecting it for you to see what I did. Understand? I'll be reselecting it. This is the color I made use of, but I reduced the opacity. Now all we did here was click at this plus icon. Now remember, this one here now is for this, while this one here is for this. Now what we'll be doing here is click on any of this. Let's click on this, then click at this color here now. Click at this color. Click at the color. Click at pick color. Now we'll be picking from this. Right? Let's pick from this. We pick from that. After that, we click on this good. Remember, this was what we dragged. Then it appeared, it showed the color here. Then you click at good. Alright, let's go. Right, this is it. Now, are you seeing the downside? I just want to show you what we did here. Then this one, you click here also and pick a color of your choice. Alright, now click there, then click at color, then pick. Let's see, pick from here. Alright, now let's mark good. So this is it. That was what I did. Remember where I got these materials here now. Where I got these materials is through Pinterest, Unsplash. You can also get from Canvas, something like that, depending on where you want to get your material from. Then I reduce the opacity of this. I reduce the color. This is the opacity. All you have to do is to click on it. If you click on this now and first of all click on this, then click on this, it will bring out the tools at the middle here where you can edit it. All right, now I want to edit it. Let me keep it at a normal capacity. That is, put it at the normal color that I made use of in this design. My normal opacity was 47 in that design. All right, it was 47, something like that. All right, now we are coming up gradually. Now let's lock it again. Lock it. All we have to do is to click here to remove these lines. All right, remember I've locked it. It will not move again. If you click on it, it will not highlight again. Now what else should we add here? We'll be adding the image, this image you are seeing here. We'll be adding this image you are seeing here. That is the next thing we should add. All right, remember I got the image from Canva. It's part of the elements I got from Canva. Now let's go over to our phone gallery. All we have to do is to click at this import here. Click at import. All right, let's pick the images. That one of the image I got from Canva. Right, this is it. This is it. This is it. Now, what we'll be doing here now is to select that. Select that. Let's select that. Now, this you can see this is the image here. Now, I will be cropping it. Remember, I removed the image background. I removed the background of the image in my previous class. I taught you how to remove the image. Understand? I taught you how to remove it. Now all we have to do here now is to click at this good after you have cropped it. After you have cropped it from here, from these angles, after you have cropped it, you come down here and click at good. Yes, click at good. Yeah, moving down there. Now this is what we have here now. This is what we have here now. All you have to do is to drag this. Drag this. I believe you are getting what I am doing here. I believe you are getting what I'm doing here. If you drag this, drag it a bit, drag it a bit. Now, so continue dragging it till we get what we want. Now let's recrop it. Let's crop it again so we get the exact thing that we want. All right. Alright, now let's go. I'm following this. As you can see in our design, I'm following this. Alright, now let's center align it. Something like this. Right. Alright, now let's reduce the opacity. Let's reduce the opacity. I believe you are getting what I'm doing. You're getting what I'm doing. I've reduced it. We are coming up gradually. Alright, I'll be ending this video here right away so that this video tutorial will not be too long. In my next video, we'll continue. Thank you. God bless you.